Want to snag that must-have item without breaking the bank all at once? Let's dive into everything you need to know about using Klarna, the Buy Now, Pay Later service, right here in Canada. First, head to the App Store or Google Play Store and download the Klarna app. Once downloaded, open the app and tap on Sign Up or Create Account. You'll need to provide your email address, a secure password, and your phone number. Klarna will then likely send a verification code to your phone. Enter this to confirm your account. Next, you'll be prompted to add your personal details like your full name, date of birth, and residential address. Make sure this information matches your government's ID for smooth verification. Klarna will also ask for your payment information. This is the credit or debit card that will be used for your installment payments. Add your card details carefully. Now that your account is set up, let's go shopping. Look for the Klarna logo at participating online retailers. When you're ready to check out, select Klarna as your payment method. You'll usually see options like paying in for interest-free installments or other financing options. Depending on the retailer and your eligibility, choose the payment plan that suits your budget. Once your order is placed, Klarna will create a payment schedule. Keep track of your upcoming payments within the Klarna app. You'll receive reminders before each payment is due. You can also set up automatic payments to avoid any late fees. If you need to make a manual payment, you can simply tap on the unpaid invoice within the app and follow the prompts to pay using your linked card. And there you have it. That's how to use Klarna in Canada. If you run into any issues, access Klarna's comprehensive facts section within the app or on their website, or reach out to their customer support team for assistance. Happy shopping, Canada!